Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to demonstrate how you can run Kotlin code, or call Kotlin code, I should say, from a Java file. First of all, let's create a Java file. You might already have one, you might be adding one, doesn't really matter as long as you have one. I'm going to call this epic class. And I'm going to keep it simple, but the principle will be the same regardless of what you're doing. I'm going to create a public static void main. So this is a main entry point. It'll have a string array, and in here is where we are just going to call our Kotlin code. So what I'm going to do is create a function for fun. I'm going to call it print, and it literally is going to do a print line of hello world. If I go to epic class now, to run it, you just do main kt, that's the default package. Or if you have a different package, you can choose, the package name, that is fine. Main kt dot wherever you're accessing dot print. And now if I run the Java file, as you can see, we get hello world. It's that simple. So if you change the package name, obviously use the new package name. Easy way to find out what this should be. If you right click your Kotlin file, just go to where it says run debug. What's between the single quotation marks, main kt, that is how you will refer to that file. That's it. That's really all there is to know. Obviously you could pass in parameters here. If this function accepted parameters, you could have a class and access the class as well. And yeah, that's it. That's really all there is to know. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.